How to fix File Explorer crashing in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first step is run some commands. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description, copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. And restart your computer. The File Explorer will start working normally, hopefully. The second method is disable Windows search service. Click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, click on services, find Windows search in the list, this one, and check this service and select apply. Click on OK and click on restart. After restarting your computer, the File Explorer will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.